Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I want to show you how to draw a zombie unicorn. And I hope you guys like this Halloween video, and if you guys want to see more Halloween videos, definitely check out our Halloween playlist to see all the fun videos that we have. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our zombie unicorn, we're going to begin right up here with the eye. So I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back here in a check mark shape. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up here. Now, starting right above the eye, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down. So we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve down. Then we'll make a little line that goes over, and it's going to come down here for the nose. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come back. It's going to curve around and then come up to here for the mouth. Starting here, we'll draw a little line that's going to curve down. And then we'll draw a little line that just comes up here. I'm also going to make some little lines in here for the teeth and a little line right here for the nose. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line over a little bit, and then we'll make a little triangle shape right here for the ear. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come down. And right here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to curve down for the neck. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down. We're going to go over, and we'll come up for a leg. Starting here, we'll make a line that's going to go out. I'm going to add a couple little bumps in here, and then a line that's going to go down and over. Next, we'll make a line that goes up and then comes back here. Starting here, I want to make another little line that comes over. I'll add a couple more little bumps on here, and then we'll come over a little bit farther. Right here, we'll draw another line that goes down. It's going to go over and then up for another leg. And then right inside of here, I'm going to make a little squiggly line. Then right here, we'll make another line that goes down. It's going to go over, and it's going to come up. Starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to go over. I'll add a couple little bumps in here, and then we'll make a line that's going to come down to here. Starting here on the tail, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down, and we're going to curve it around here. We'll make it nice and pointy, and then we're just going to do that same shape and bring it back here. Now, starting up here, we want to make the horn. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come to a point and down. And we'll add a few little curved lines on here. Starting here, we'll draw a little line that's going to go down. It's going to curve up and come back. And then back here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to go down. It's going to curve up and back. And we'll make a couple more. They're just going to curve down and then come back. We'll do one more here. I'm going to add another little bit of hair right up here too. Now we just want to come in here and add some fun details onto our little zombie unicorn. So starting right underneath the eye, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and it's going to curve back. I'll add a little triangle shape inside the ear. And I'm going to draw a little squiggly line underneath here. I'm going to make some little kind of bumpy lines on here with some little dots in it to make it look like there's like some fur missing. I'll add a couple lines that come across. It looks like it's been kind of stitched up. I want to make kind of like a little bit of a wavy line here. And I'm going to add a couple little lines coming down to make it look like there's some ribs showing. I'll make some little lines across here for the hooves. And then we'll do a couple more kind of little lines kind of showing that there's some parts of the fur missing. I'll make some more little squiggly lines down the tail with a couple little kind of hairs sticking out. And we'll do the same thing up here, some little kind of squiggly hairs sticking out. Then an extra little line by the eye, and maybe another little kind of scar right there. Now I'm going to add a couple little kind of squiggly lines here. And then maybe like a couple little hashtags marks in some spots. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little zombie unicorn. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.